Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? What's good? Late night stream. That's right, baby. That is right. Let me just, internet's acting wonky today, so we had a thunderstorm here, so you have to bear with me. You'll have to bear with me. How's everybody doing? Boom. Let's check out the charts. First of all, guys, RSI still looking in the neutral zone. Inverse head and shoulders looks to be trying to play out, guys. Where are we targeting? Funny you should ask. Right about here, guys. 5 cents, 5. Well, that's not 5 cents, 5. That's 5 cents. So more accurately, right about right about here. Right about there. Is where we should be breaking out to. Right about there. 5 cents, 5. That's what we're looking at playing out on the inverse head and shoulders, guys, if it finishes. But, I mean, it looks like it's going to, right? I mean, we have all the reason in the world this week coming up to believe that this is going to play out, considering we have the Bitcoin conference. Trump and many others are going to be speaking. We have the Ethereum ETF going live in 3 days, right? So we have every reason to believe that this is going to play out, guys. A break past 3 cents, the 3 cents 1, 3 cents 2 level will probably see us retest 4 cents. Hopefully we get some catalyst this coming week, propel us up to that 5 cents 5, and then I think that we'll reject off 5 cents 5, and then if we're lucky, then maybe we'll reject down to 5 cents ish, and then just kind of ping pong inside of here, right? Something like that, before maybe form a bull flag or something before continuation further to the upside. So that's kind of what I see going on, guys. Obviously we'll have to stay on top of it, but all right, let's go into the chat, see what's going on, guys. I figured, we didn't do a live stream this morning because I got my daughter in town. We were hanging out and stuff like that. So I'd hop on tonight. Let's see what's going on, guys. As always, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, guys. Listen, we only need 3 subscribers, guys. 3 to hit 6K. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, push us up over that 6K mark. It'd be absolutely amazing if you could do that. Be greatly appreciated. Otaku, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Putting in the blood, sweat, and tears on the weekend. 100%, brother. 100%. You know what it is. It's really hard to find much crypto news right now, considering all of the political, mumbo jumbo all over X and everything right now, right? People complaining, you're talking too much about Trump and well, hey man, like that's what's going on, right? That's what's going on, and it affects the crypto market in a massive way, So we got to stay on top of it. We got to know what's going on, right, guys? Make no mistake about it. In November, we'll still see a bull run. Don't get me wrong, but make no mistake about this. For the big picture, the next 4 years, November, the crypto market is dancing on the edge of a knife, right? If Trump wins, crypto's going to go crazy. If Biden wins, we're in for 4 more years of pain and attacks from the White House, from the SEC. It will continue. We are on the edge of a knife here, guys, right? Funky Action, what's up, man? Wowzer, 6K all the way. You were at 4K, just a little under when I joined the chat. Time flies when you're building wealth. Yeah, 100%, man. By the way, guys, I would ask you to do me a favor and go check out Crypto Otaku's channel. Shoot him a sub. I pop in the chat from time to time when I have time. Guy does a great show. I love it. Max loves it. Max pops in too. He's a great guy, guys. He deserves your sub. He works hard. Hook a brother up. We got to support, guys. We have to support good content creators in this market, right? We have to, because there's so many bad ones out there, right? So when we come across these good ones, we got to help them grow, right? So shoot them a sub. It doesn't cost you nothing. You know what I'm going to do? Hang on. I'm going to make it easy for you, okay? I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to put the link to his channel in the chat for you. If you will bear with me. Uno momento, por favor. Okay, guys, I'm putting his channel link in the chat. Go shoot him a sub, guys. Hook a brother up. Good times. He's a man after my own heart. Big Kev, what's up, brother? Late night alpha, let's go. Absolutely, brother. You know I couldn't go a day without dropping that alpha, right? Got to walk in and put that shit on the table, brother. Gotta hate auto type. The sentences it produces are close. But yeah, I agree, man. I don't know what to duck, right? Tara, late one tonight. We're all gonna die. 100%, man. 100%. Hoover Jim, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. Death Bank, DCAing all the way. Lily's in the house. How you doing, Lily? Yo, yo, yo. Doug, what's up, buddy? Hey, Rob. I'm a new subscriber on YouTube. How can I get in contact with you to share my portfolio? Shoot me a DM over on our Discord, my friend. The link to our Discord is down in the description. So just shoot me a private DM there, and we'll have a chat. Lily got more Swift today. Nice. I'm picking up some more. The final bit of XCN. I will be picking up the day after tomorrow, I think. So hopefully we have a little bit of a correction, so I can, finish that off, and then I'm moving on to my next bag. Jasmine to the moon, patience, 100%, brother. Sean, what's up, buddy? Good morning, Rob. Thanks for everything you do. Hey, thank you for being here, brother. Without you being here, I'm just some weird dude talking to myself on the internet, right? This could be bullish AF this week. Yeah, absolutely, man. This week things could be popping off, man. GT, what's up, fam? Yo, Rob, I'm gonna only say it once. George has been real fickle with live streams lately this week. Will be no different. He's out of town. I say triple streams. Yeah. Steal some of his viewers. Yes, I agree. That's the strategy, man. That would be a great strategy. He doesn't drop the good alpha anyways, right? Just FUDs projects. He FUDs everything except Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, we need 3 subscribers. 3 subscribers to hit 6K. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Taku, you're right, Rob. You're right. Trump will rally crypto no matter what happens from here on, live or dead. Yes. We have a pro-crypto vice president. Exactly. That's huge, too. I played some clips of his speeches about crypto and stuff. And the fact that he hates Gary Gensler as much as he does as well, it's the cherry on top, right? Makes me that much happier that he hates Gare Bear, right? Holmes, what's up, bro? Fasa? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Galaxy Shooter in the house. Hey, Rob, what's up? Just recovering from a wicked rainstorm a couple days ago. Most of Toronto was flooded. Ouch. Subways flooded or what, man? We just had a thunderstorm here in Winnipeg, but nothing to that degree, though. What else do we got here? You'll have to bear with me. I apologize. What else do we got? Close to 100. Wow. Holy smokes. Leroy, what's up, brother? Should I be buying ETH this week or am I too late? I wouldn't recommend it, man, to be honest with you, because you don't know if there's going to be like a sell the news event. Listen, I don't know if it's going to play out the same way or not, but when Bitcoin, back on January 10th, when Bitcoin's ETFs were approved, Bitcoin fell like 20% over the next 2 weeks, right? And it only rallied after that. Then after about 2 weeks, we saw the effects of the liquidity coming into the ETFs, and then it pumped like 75% or something like that over the course of the next month or two, right? So you could see a pullback in Ethereum in the immediate term, and then it run parabolically like Bitcoin did, 3 or 4 weeks later. That could happen. However, I would say this: coming into the Ethereum ETF approvals, we have not seen a run up in the price of Ethereum like we did for Bitcoin back in January. So there might obviously not be the sell the news event because there was no buy the rumor, right? So it could just go straight up. So it's a tough choice, man. It's a tough choice. Me personally, I'm focusing on ERC20 tokens right now, right? Instead of going after Ethereum, because honestly, the ROI is just going to be that much better, right? So, thanks, Rob. 6K. Congrats. Like and sub. Thanks, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's been a long road, man, but we got here. Honestly, when I started, I didn't think we'd have more than 5 subscribers, man. We were doing live streams, and there was like 2, 3, 4, 5 people in the streams, man, right? And so when I see you doing what you're doing, man, I was there, brother. I was there. And, we built this community together. We built it together, man. So you'll get there too. Just keep doing what you're doing, man. Just keep chipping away, brother. All right, let's get into some of the news, man. See what's going on. Actually, let's go have a look at Bitcoin here too. Look at this. Look at this. What is going on with Bitcoin? So here's the rub, guys. Here's the rub, right? I think we're going to see some resistance at 68.4, and I've given you my reasons why. If you see back here, resistance, all in here, resistance in here, and a little bit of support, right? A lot of resistance here, here. So I think that we'll see some resistance at 68.4. But I mean, I also think that there's a lot of shorts. I should have had the chart up. I don't have the chart up, but we're also going to see a lot of short squeezes happening. There's a lot of liquidity up higher, right? So we could very well go absolutely crazy, over the next, like this here. Like we could very well see this again, right? We could see this happen again over the next, 8 weeks or so, 8 to 10 weeks. Very possible. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. Nothing is, right? Why would you ask me if it's guaranteed? That's a ridiculous question. Don't ask ridiculous questions. But to be honest with you, I think that is probably what's going to happen, right? So, but we'll have to watch it. We'll break through this resistance and then pow, zoom up to the moon, right? So yeah. Actually, let me see. I think are we still tracking the inverse head and shoulders on here? I think I removed it, but it's still in play, isn't it? No, we kind of invalidated it by going down. We went down a little too far here. We wicked down. I mean, we closed still above 50. I think we needed to stay above 57 to keep it valid, But I think we invalidated that inverse head and shoulders. It would have been this bad boy right here, right? But we got a little out of control there, right? We got a little out of control, so yeah. Anywho, watching that 68.4 level, guys. Watching that 68.4 level. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Time is money. Happy Saturday. Glad I made it to hear you. Thanks, man. Thanks, David. It's awesome to have you, brother. It is awesome to have you here. Man, hard to believe. Trying to get 3 subs. 3 subs, guys. There's got to be 3 people out there watching right now that are not subscribed. Click the subscribe button. Be that guy. Let's go check out the bubbles. Let's check out the bubbles, guys. JASMY's the only one over here in the red, 0.8%. Still holding 3 cents, though, guys, right? BTC's holding 67. Man, you know, it's funny because like a week ago, we were sitting at like, what were we sitting at like a week ago? 59, guys, like 59. Now we're sitting at 67, and you don't feel bullish? It's weird. It's weird how sentiment is, right? Like a week ago, we were sitting at under 60K, man. And you know, we're almost 10K up, and people are not feeling it, right? Luke, hey Rob, I missed it somewhere. Where do you see XCN going? I actually have done XCN price prediction videos, but to be honest with you, Luke, I think, I mean, personally, if you're one of the members of the channel, you know that I like to front run the market, right? Which, what does that mean? It means I'll buy enough coins to get out before everybody else, right? So with XCN, you know, I think we could see, I don't know, let's say 30, 40 cents. Okay. I know some people are calling for about 82 cents, and it's possible. It's entirely possible, but I think it's more likely to see around 40 cents by the end of it. But that being said, I went and picked up enough XCN so that I could leave right at the all-time high at 18 cents, and I can walk away an XCN millionaire. That's how I have my plan. See, when XCN is just breaking into price discovery, I will be at $1 million profit while everyone else is FOMOing in. They will be buying my XCN from me, and I will be using them as exit liquidity. And I will walk away with my million in XCN while everyone else scoops up as much as they can, hoping for 40 cents, 80 cents, a dollar, whatever, right? That's what I mean when I say I like to front run the market, right? I get out when FOMO's kicking in, right? I don't care if it goes to 80 cents. My goal is to get 1 million from XCN, right? So, and I'll get that at 18 cents. That's my goal. If I sell at 18 cents, I make my cold mill. Guess what? I walk away. If it goes to 80 cents, I don't care. I don't sit there going, oh, I shouldn't have sold. I got what I wanted, right? Because then I'm going to take that 1 mil, I'm going to flip it in the bottom of the next bear market. And guess what? Boom, $1 million in Bitcoin. And I'm just going to hold that bitch through the next bull run, watch that 4x on me, right? And just keep going. That's what we do. Strategy over emotion. Turbo has been going nuts lately. Yes, Turbo has been going nuts lately. It's up another 4%. It's up 87% on the week. 87. 5,000% on the year. That's crazy. That is crazy. Huck's pumping nicely. That's what she said. Luke, I'm missing somewhere. Where do you see XCN going? Yeah. So that's where I see XCN going though. But I'll be out, like I said, 18 cents. Boom. I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here at 18 cents, right? Okay, boots. All right, so let's get into what's going on around the market, guys. Let's get into some of the news, see what's happening out there. The Wolf of Meme Street says the first of something is usually going to a very big example, BTC. JASMY is the first out of Japan. I don't see the reason it can't be $1 and beyond. So check this out, guys. A little food for thought for you here, right? This is a developing project, JASMY. This said project has a ton of potential, but it will take time to mature. Enjoy the upward movement. Don't be dismayed by retracements. As Banner Pilot once said, in pitch black, we lay back and laugh till the sun comes up. And we hold fast. Hold fast, lads. Exactly. Here's the thing. The key you have to remember, guys. It will take time to mature. That's the problem. That's the fundamental difference between traditional old school stock investors who are successful at investing and these crypto bros that come in with a complete lack of patience, right? And that is that a lot of people in crypto don't understand that their investment takes time to mature. There is no, quick boom. I put money in and the next week I'm a millionaire. I mean, for every one person that happens for in meme coins, there's 100,000 people who got wrecked and are that one person's exit liquidity, right? So what are the chances you're going to be that one person, you know, who gets rich on some, you know, ridiculous meme coin? So not only are you fighting the odds of being that guy, right? Like 1 in 100,000 or whatever, but you're also fighting the odds of whatever meme coin you buy. What are the odds it's not a rug pull, right? So that's why it's wiser to pick these utility plays, DCA, and just understand that your investment's going to take time to mature, right? That's how the wise do it, guys. I appreciate that input on XCN. I hold a very large bag of this. Nice, brother. Nice. Congratulations on the bag, my friend. I got 25,000 worth of JASMY. What do you think I could make from that realist? You have $25,000 worth of JASMY, or you have 25,000 tokens of JASMY? Which one are we talking about here? Because $25,000 worth of JASMY is a hell of a lot of JASMY. When did you buy it? What's your price prediction for JASMY in the next bull run? Like, are you asking me, is in terms of next bull run, are you asking me about 2028, 2029? Or are you asking me like this bull run we're currently in? Which one, Gene? When it was 203 or 3 cents on this last dip. Nice. Forkin, what is your cost? You could definitely 2x that, possibly 3x. I just joined. Sorry if I missed. Are we heading towards the downside since 2033 isn't met yet? No, I don't necessarily think so. I don't think so. We're still holding support at 3 cents right now. So, well, I mean, we'll stay on top of it, but I don't see signs. I don't see signs of us going to the downside right now. I mean, listen, it's possible we could retest 2 cents 7 again, but I mean, I don't think so. A large part of it depends on what Bitcoin does. And to be honest with you, right now, the way Bitcoin looks, I don't think Bitcoin's going back down below 66K. I don't think so, right? I think we're holding right here, 66K. So, and if Bitcoin doesn't go down, it's certainly not pulling JASMY down, right? If you bought it earlier than it was 203, you would have thousands right now. 2025. So it's dollars. You have $25,000 worth of JASMY. How much JASMY is that? That's a lot of JASMY, right? How much JASMY is it? Well, this is what I'll say to you, Leroy. I believe JASMY I believe $1 is baked in for JASMY. So however many JASMY you're holding for 25K, that's probably how much money you're going to make, right? That's how much money you'll have at the end of it. If you have 5 million JASMY and it goes to $1, well, I mean, simple math is you're going to have $5 million, right? Now, what your profit margin is on that, well, that's different. That depends on what your entry point is, right? Gene 2025. Well, like I just said, I think we're looking at about, I think we could honestly go anywhere between $1.50 and $2, but I like to be conservative and say, you know, let's just get to $1, right? It was up to 4 cents. That was a 7x for me. Nice. Sakar's scene depends on when he bought it. No, much more than that. He didn't buy it at $1. No, I didn't say he bought it at $1. I said if he holds 5 million tokens and the value of JASMY goes to $1 each, regardless of where he bought it, like what the price was that he bought it at, if JASMY's at $1 and he holds 5 million tokens, he will have $5 million, right? Doesn't matter what price he bought it at. Now, What his profit margin is, that's a different story. Don't we need a weekly close at 203? No, we needed. I think you meant 3 cents, not 203, right? No, we do. Do we need a weekly close above 3 cents? No, we don't need it, but it would definitely be bullish if we got it. We want it, but no, I don't think we're going to drop 50% if we're not going to drop 50% if we don't close above 3 cents. No, that's insane. That is an insane. That would be an insane drop, right? That would be, I mean, for right here, if we don't close above 3 cents, and you're talking about 50% fall. Hang on. Right? 50% fall, you'd be looking at, that's too low for my friggin' thing even here. Right? 50%. That's crazy. We would fall, if 50% fall bring us all the way back down to 1 cent 5. No, we're not falling. We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this if we don't close above 3 cents. No, that would be insane. That would be insane. So yeah, no, it would be bullish if we had a close above, and I think we will have a close above. But dude probably have 850,000 JASMY for 25 grand. When it dipped to the bear market low, it was under 203. Yep, you're absolutely right. If you're holding since that price, that is some serious patience. Will we hit JASMY's all-time high again this bull run? No, I do not think we will in this bull run. No, I think somewhere between $1 and $1.50 would be realistic. Good evening, everyone. Lord of the Realm, what's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in a bit, man. Can't wait for the ETFs to go live. 100%, man. I accidentally sold all JASMY. Bought in at 205. Now I have to buy back in. How did you accidentally sell it? Nacho, what's up, buddy? Hey, Rob and JASMY family. Super bullish for next week, especially for the Bitcoin conference during the RNC. It seemed like he wanted to say something about crypto. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. It's going to be bullish, guys. We got 3 days until the Ethereum ETFs go live. We've got 5 days till the Bitcoin conference, guys. Exciting stuff, right? Going to knock your socks off. All right, what else do we got? Check this out, guys. Bitcoin supply on exchanges shrinking rapidly, especially the last weeks and months, combined with upcoming bullish catalysts. The parabolic bull run will melt faces. Look at this. Look at the supply, guys. Here, let me take that off the screen there. Look at the supply. The supply is the blue here. See it? This is the supply on exchanges. Look what's happened, guys. Crazy. And as a result, the price is going up, right? Now, let me show you something. Let me just drop some alpha on you here, okay? Let me drop some alpha. Just give me 1 second. So we just saw, I just showed you Bitcoin, right? See, you're looking at it right now, okay? Look at the reserve. My internet keeps acting wonky here. One of the results is the price, as you can see in white, is continuing in an upward trajectory, right? As it becomes more and more scarce, okay? It's very, very simple math here, right? So now check this out. What do we have here? What chart is this? Oh, this is the JASMY chart, right? As we see here, guys, the price plummeted. The price is black, right? So the price plummeted as they dumped the exchange, the amount of JASMY onto the exchanges, right? That's what we saw right here. This is where they put all of the tokens in circulation, and the price plummeted as a result, right? But now look what's happened. As there's less and less available on exchanges, there's only 14,512,000,000 left on exchanges to be purchased, guys. So what's happening right here? We're seeing the crossover. Let's call this for charting purposes the golden cross on the JASMY reserve exchange reserves supply. It's the golden cross. Here's the death cross over here, right? Now we've got the golden cross, right? And what's happening, like I said, what's happening right now is what point we're at for JASMY. We're at this point right here for JASMY on Bitcoin. We're seeing the reserves go down. We're seeing the value go up, right? This is what it's going to look like in the bull run. Crazy. Little perspective for you, right? Little perspective for you. I drop the alpha, guys, right? We bring it to you. Even with my internet acting up, you know, we still drop that alpha. Oh, we got another sub. We only need 2 more, guys. We only need 2 more subs. Smash that subscribe button. Get us up to 6K, baby. All right, what else do we got? U.S. presidential elections are always mega bullish. Are you ready? Check out these elections, guys. Look at this. 2012 election happened. Oh, you can't even see it because my ugly mug's in the way. Here. See? 2012 election happened in 2012. Boom. Look what happened to the value right here of crypto, Bitcoin specifically, right? And what do we do? 4 years later, 2016 election right here. Look what happened. Boom. 2020 election. Boom. Look what happened. Here we are coming up on the election right here in November. Are you ready to poop your pants? That's the question that everybody wants to know. So, moving along. Got to show you these metrics, guys. Got to show you the metrics to keep you bullish, right? So, we're right here, guys. A lot of people seem to think that we're like way over here or something like that in the bull run. We're way over here at the beginning still, right? We have so much more growth to go before the end of this bull run. So much more to go. Going to be fantastic. Oh, and check it out. We also have on another time frame. What is this? This is the 30-day chart or the 30-minute chart. 30. It just had to be the 30-day. We've got a massive bull flag going on here, guys. Right? Boom. Target 70 cents. Target 70 cents for Bitcoin. Buckle in. DC. Now it's $70,465, guys. Looks fantastic. Now we do have to talk a little bit about Mr. Biden because the ridiculousness just continues, right? So we're going to talk about it for a moment because apparently, oh, we broke 6K subs, guys. Whoever clicked subscribe, thank you so much. Big celebration, guys. Absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for pushing us up over that level, guys. It means a lot. Let's get into this. Joe Biden's successor is Hillary Clinton, Donald Trump's opponent. With talks of Joe Biden stepping down from the presidential race, the question of who's best suited to replace him is currently stirring up in the United States. Well, what I would say is that he already destroyed Hillary like when he won the election, right? When Trump won last time. So I don't think Hillary is going to be any better than Biden at this point, right? Everyone knows now that Hillary's evil, right? So, I mean, there's no way, like, whatever. I don't know. Some people might like her. A few people have weighed in on the discussion suggesting Hillary Clinton, a former United States Secretary of State and U.S. First Lady. Guys, she is just as bad for crypto, if not worse, than Biden, right? So we got to be careful with that. The 76-year-old Democrat served as the 67th U.S. Secretary of State under the administration of Barack Obama. In terms of age, an opinion writer from The Hill noted that Clinton is younger than both Biden and Trump, who are 81 years old and 78 years old, respectively. Ordinarily, it would be expected that she has more energy and stamina than the older men. Yeah, but she's evil. Why do I care how much energy she has? Energy to destroy my portfolio? No thanks. You keep your energy. Turn that sumbitch sideways, right? Shine it up real nice. When we're talking, guys, listen, when we're talking about people who think that Hillary Clinton would be a great a great president to replace Obama, right? People who think that, they say, I think that. Well, listen to this, okay? I don't know if you heard that, but I'll play it again. Deal with that. Deal with that. All right. Her resume acknowledged the past depth of experience are perceived as tools that she could use to transform the American economy. Yeah, okay. All of her roles, including Secretary of State and U.S. Senator to First Lady and Children's Defense Fund attorney, Clinton has demonstrated tenacity and a knack for change. She does not only have a good understanding of, oh my God, I can't even read this. I can't even read it, guys. This is crazy. Like, all they're doing is sucking up to her here. So here we go. See, Clinton and Biden, they both have anti-crypto policies, guys. Anti-crypto policies. Not for me, no spank you. No way, no how. I'm not talking to you. You're crazy. All right, what else do we got? Ethereum ETFs are coming. Here's what you need to know. After years of regulatory pushback and countless amended registration filings, spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds are finally hitting the market. For the first time, shares of publicly traded Ethereum ETFs will be listed alongside the likes of Apple and the S&P 500 ETFs, Trust SPY, on some of the United States' most popular brokerage platforms. The anticipated listings are the defining moment for cryptocurrency markets and the opportunity for millions of U.S. institutional and retail investors. Here's what you need to know to make the most of it. The Chicago Board Options Exchange confirmed July 23rd as the launch date for the 5 ETFs assigned to trade on its platform. 21 shares, Core Ethereum ETF, Fidelity Ethereum ETF, Invesco, VanEck, and Franklin Templeton. The 4 other spot Ethereum ETFs will trade on either the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. Despite no official announcements yet from those exchanges, they are widely expected to list July 23rd as well. The short answer, virtually any major brokerage platform, every spot Ethereum ETF set to list in the last week of July has already obtained regulatory sign-off to trade on at least one major U.S. exchange, specifically either the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, or CBOE. Everyday investors don't trade directly on these exchanges. Instead, they rely on brokerage platforms, household names such as Fidelity, E-Trade, Robinhood, Charles Schwab, and TD Ameritrade as intermediaries. Once Ethereum ETF shares are listed on public exchanges, expect all the big name brokerages and others to be able to facilitate trades. Now, guys, here's the rub, okay? Here's the bullish part of this whole thing. One thing that people don't really talk about is the fact that when the spot Bitcoin ETFs went live, Grayscale started dumping, right? Because their fees were redonkulous, right? So they were converting over to the spot BTC ETFs, right? And then what happened was everyone wanted to sell to go over to other exchanges like BlackRock, where the fees were significantly less. Okay. Now, here's the rub on the Ethereum. There is no grayscale ETF application right now, so there is no chance of them dumping or converting their trust into spot Bitcoin Ethereum ETFs and raising the rates high and crashing Ethereum whilst Ethereum ETFs are being bought up by BlackRock and stuff like that, right? So, in other words, there is no outflow for Ethereum like there was for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin did not have those grayscale outflows like they did, right? Imagine how high Bitcoin's price would have went. I'm thinking probably somewhere around $90,000, right? If it wasn't for grayscale continuing to dump while it was being bought up at BlackRock and everything like that, right? So what could happen to Ethereum's ETFs and the Ethereum price, I think, is grossly underestimated. I think that mathematical equation is not being considered when people are talking about how high Ethereum can initially go because of these ETFs over the first, I don't know, let's say 3 months, right? The end of this year, guys, from what are we, August, guys, September, October, November, December, it's going to be crazy in my opinion. Going to be crazy. 9 spot Ethereum ETFs are set to begin trading. In terms of underlying mechanics, the funds are virtually identical. Every ETF is sponsored by a reputable fund manager, holds spot Ethereum ETFs with qualified custodians, and relies on the core group of professional market makers to create and redeem shares. They also all benefit from the same standard investor protection, including insurance against brokerage failures and cybersecurity risks. For most investors, the deciding factor boils down to fees. For 8 of the 9 ETFs, management fees range from 0.15% to 0.25%. The big one, the one big exception is Grayscale's Ethereum Trust, standard trading under. So they do have one different fund structure. Oh, that's right. There's no conversion application though for their trust. That's what it was. Yes. So they don't have an application right now to convert their trust into Ethereum, right? Spot Ethereum ETFs, I mean. So that's what it is. So there won't be that dumping unless they apply for it later. Then we're screwed, right? Most but not all of the Ethereum ETFs are temporarily waiving or discounting fees. That's right. Most of them waive their fees for the first little while too. That's going to bring in a lot of money, guys. Are you kidding me? Most of these issuers have waived their fees initially, right? Not forever, but initially. And what does that mean? That means that they're trying to entice institutions to pick up as much as they can right off the hop, right? Because there's no fees. So that's what's going to happen. You're going to see money start pouring into it quickly because these institutions want to get in and scoop up as much as they can before they have to start paying these fees, right? It's on sale, baby. It's on sale, right? Oh, man, I'm sweating. It's hot in here, guys. The short answer here is no. The longer answer, will the spot Ethereum ETFs? Yeah, so there's not going to be any staking with the spot Ethereum ETFs, which I personally don't really give a crap about, but that's just me. So yeah, that's one thing that we will not have with the Ethereum ETFs because of good old Gary Gensler, right? Damn, we lost a subscriber, so we dropped back down to 5,999. Damn you, whoever left. Damn you to hell. Now we got to get back up over 6K. Thanks a lot. All right, what else do we got? What kind of week is Ethereum about to have? Ethereum is about to have a wild week. Well, question answered. Let's move on. No. With the SEC giving the green light to 5 spot Ethereum ETFs, we're in for some serious market action. This could bring a ton of new investment into the space, shaking up Ethereum's price in the coming days. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the moving averages. The 50 period moving average is at $3,501, and the 200-day moving average is at $3,454. Right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,510.25, which is above both moving averages. This is a good sign showing a bullish trend. These moving averages will likely act as support levels, helping to prevent any big drops in price. Next are the Fibonacci retracement levels. We've got key levels at 35.42, 33.69, and 34.55. The current price is close to the 38.2% retracement level at 35.5, which is an important support zone. If Ethereum stays above this level, it's a bull party. Now onto the patterns. There are double bottoms at 34.76, signaling a bullish reversal. On the other side, there's a double top at 35.42, which is a resistance level. If Ethereum breaks above this, we could see a strong upward move. The highs and higher lows are forming. Higher highs and higher lows are forming. Indicating an uptrend. The RSI is at 62.62, but approaching overbought conditions at 70. The MACD shows the line at 2.20 and the signal line at 25.71, with a histogram value of 23.51. In the short term, Ethereum looks set to continue its upward trend. The immediate resistance is around the double top at 35.42. If Ethereum breaks above this level, we could quickly see a move over 3600. In the medium term, the SEC approval of the Ethereum ETF is a huge bullish factor. If Ethereum sustains breaks above the resistance levels at 35.42 and 36, it could test higher levels around 37 or $3,800. Exchange inflows saw spikes on June 24th, July 4th, and July 16th during the selling pressure. Ether's social dominance has weakened in the past 5 days, but the social volume remains relatively stable. We are ready for liftoff, essentially. What else do we have going on? Yesterday, the spot Bitcoin ETFs saw 383 million in inflows, guys. The inflows just continue. That's probably why we're sitting up so high right now. That's probably why. A lot of people, man, a lot of people don't understand, and no matter how much I say it, right? We're still in a buy zone here, guys. We're still in the buy zone, right? Then we got to move on to accumulate, still cheap, hodl. We're not even close to sitting on our hands yet. And people are asking, people are frustrated that the price isn't moving, man. We're not even close, baby. Remember my Christmas analogy, guys, right? You got to remember. You got to remember. All right, let's go back over to the JASMY chart. I'd look at the Dixie, but it's the weekend, so it doesn't really matter, right? All right, let's get back into the chat, see what's going on. Swoopa, what's up, man? Long time no see. Hey, Rob, thanks for all you're doing. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. The highest price I owned JASMY was 32 cents. Oof. Subscribed. Thanks for your insights. Thank you so much for your support, man. That means tons. It really, really does, guys. It really does. Boom. And we're back up over 6K subs. I appreciate all of you guys, man. Galaxy Shooter, what's up, man? What's the price prediction for Spell Token? Galaxy Shooter, I actually did a Spell Token price prediction video. I would recommend checking it out, man. Rob, is there any way to track OTC supply? Are you talking over the counter? Let me get back to you on that, GT. I believe there is a way. I just don't remember what the site is again. Let me get back to you on that. I'll try to have that answer for you in tomorrow's live stream. Aaron, is the JASMY / Apple deal still on? Yes and no, Aaron. It's not a partnership directly with JASMY and Apple. It's a partnership with the Japanese government and Apple, which utilizes JASMY's technology, right? However, I would say this to you: if you have a farmer, okay, who ships eggs to a grocery store, and the grocery store forms a partnership with Apple, and Apple wants to buy eggs from the grocery store to implement into their technology, okay? I know this doesn't make sense, but it doesn't have to, okay? So imagine that, okay? So now there's a contract between the grocery store and Apple to implement these eggs into the iPhones, okay? These hard-boiled eggs, okay? Now, is that a partnership directly between Apple and the farmer? No. However, the farmer's eggs are being used in this partnership. So the farmer still, the value of his eggs increases, right? That's where we are. We're the farmers, okay? I was your 6K. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Otaku in the house, man. My man. Democrats don't want anyone to become financially independent. They want everyone to be dependent on it. Yes, 100% agree with that. 100% agree. Rickaroo, my man. What's up, buddy? Been a while. It's good to see you, my friend. Sakkar scene, you rock. Absolutely, man. 99.5% full moon to 9. Yeah, absolutely, man. Rodney, do you think XCN will do 1 cent by the end? Oh yeah, for sure. I think ERC20 tokens are going to start going nuts when this Ethereum ETF, the whole Ethereum ecosystem is going to have a very, very good time. What's shaking, Chief? Rod's in the house. What's up, buddy? I'm in Arkansas at the moment, and the moon is huge compared to 12 hours north. Nice. I'm going to have to go have a look at the moon after this. Good evening, Rob. Can you do a video about TurboCoin? Yes, I've done quite a few videos about TurboCoin, but yes, I can do that. I'll do one tomorrow for you. I'll have a look at what's going on with Turbo, and I'll get one out to you tomorrow. But I have done at least 4 or 5 Turbo videos. Gene, what's your price prediction for Ethereum next week? I don't have one for next week, Gene. I don't know, right? It's very, very touchy, man. Like, if we can break $3,600, you know, we could see 37, 38, right? I mean, what's the price of it right now? It's hard to make a price prediction on a project when there's so much crazy stuff that's about to happen with it over the next couple of days, right? Like, it could go nuts or it could be boring, right? David, late night stream. That's right, brother. I like to keep you on your toes, broski. Derek, peaceful tea. Our mistakes are best teachers. Yes, absolutely. What would you recommend for a buyback in if you were to go lower? Was it possible for short-term price drop? Asking since I'm yeah, I know why you're asking. I'll be honest with you, peaceful tea. If I was in your situation, I would not be looking or waiting for lower prices. I would be dollar cost averaging every week and hoping that it pulls back. But listen, if you're missing right now and you're waiting for lower prices, it's very possible that we could see JASMY, like I said, break up to 5 cents and then consolidate, you know, or 5 cents 5 and then consolidate between 5 cents and 5 cents 5. And then you're really going to be in a bad situation, right? So if it was me, I would be dollar cost averaging right now. And then if it dropped lower, I would put in bigger amounts of money to get those lower dips, right? That's what I would be doing strategically. I'll tell you right now, if you wait for prices, you're going to get left behind, man. Next thing you know, it's going to be 8-10 cents, and you're going to be still going, oh, I should have bought in, right? Ty, what's up, man? Good to see you. That makes sense. Make the eggs worth more. Yeah, exactly. What's your thoughts on Mankey? I'm fairly bullish on it. I mean, I haven't done too much research into it, but I have watched a few people that I know talking about it, and let me have a look at it. And they're pretty bullish on it. I think I looked at it once before a while ago, but this is the one you're talking about here, right? Yeah, 93. Yeah, $93 million market cap. So I like that it's on Solana. I mean, it's a meme coin at the end of the day, right? Am I right? Yeah, it's a meme coin, cat themed meme coin. So it's down 70%. I don't know, man. I mean, something like this, I'd probably, you know, if I felt like looking for a meme coin, I'd probably throw like $100 into it, $200 and see what happened. But that's not something that I would be going big on. Like Turbo is something I would go bigger on. Bruno, what's up, buddy? Finally caught a live stream in a while. Still be watching your videos, though. Thank you for all your updates, Rob. Hey, no problem, Bruno. It's awesome to see you, buddy. Where do you think Quant will reach this run? Probably, I could see $1,500, maybe $2,000, conservatively. So I think if I understand correctly, that XCN is a way to borrow money regardless if you have bad credit, I believe. Yeah, but you have to have collateral, right? Yes. You have to have collateral. However, more utility is coming to the token. They have a DAO. Their V3 white paper is coming out on August 1st. I will be doing a breakdown of that as well. So, yeah, they have a swap coming out. They're launching a layer 3 on Base. They have their own stable coin that's going to be launched on their layer 3. I think it's called VUSD, something like that. So yeah, they have a lot more coming too, right? They're voting on a lot of this stuff on their DAO right now. So, ISO Jetpack, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Thank you for that. It's hard to let go a lot of almost 1 million and only get half of that after. Yeah, I know, man. I know. But listen, I mean, you know what? Everything happens for a reason, my friend, and you might come out of it looking better at the end, right? So sometimes we can't see the forest through the trees, man, but sometimes it works out in our benefit later, you know? So we can't see it now, but we will see it at a later date. Trust. Gotta trust. Gotta have faith, man. All right, guys. So listen, that is that's the news this evening, guys. We had a good time. We had a good time. It was good to see so many of you guys come out for the stream this evening. It was a surprise impromptu stream, so I wasn't really expecting much, guys. I just figured I'd pop on because I missed this morning's live stream, and here you guys are. So I appreciate you guys. But I'm going to get some rest, guys. I'll be back tomorrow morning for the morning live stream. And have yourselves a fantastic evening, guys. And guys, listen, also, if you need, a lot of you guys are asking a lot of questions about stuff that it's clear you need a lot of help, right? You need guidance, okay? Jump over to the Patreon, guys. The link is in the chat. It's in the description of every video. Book yourself some one-on-one coaching sessions, and we can help you in a personalized way, okay? So jump over to the Patreon. The link is down below for that, guys. If you need guidance, if you need help, if you're emotional, there's people who book sessions with me, guys, one-on-ones. We do video calls with them, and they book them because they get emotional and they get irrational and they start trying to make, they start thinking, hey, man, I should sell because things are dumping or this, that, and the other thing, right? Then they book a call and we talk to them. We can walk you off that edge, right? Essentially is what we do. We help you we prevent you from making bad decisions based on emotions, right? Because not everyone can control their emotions in this game, right? So jump over to the Patreon, guys. The link's down below. Book yourself a one-on-one. We're booking into next week right now because we're pretty booked up, but get in while you can. That's what I would say. Thank you for your insight. Very inspiring when it comes to XCN and JASMY. Hey, no problem, brother. Absolutely. I got your back. So, oh yeah. All right, guys. Have yourselves a great rest of your night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.